What if I told you that in the next 24 hours, a portal will open, one that only appears once a year? And if you don't consciously step through it, you'll have to wait a full 365 days for another chance to jump into your highest timeline. Pay close attention, because this is time-sensitive. This isn't a theory. This isn't someday. It's happening right now, within hours. Stop what you're doing. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes for just 3 seconds and ask yourself, have I been seeing 11 to 11 everywhere, on clocks, receipts, license plates, phone numbers? Do I feel a strange pull, an urgency I can't explain, like something huge is about to happen? If your answer is yes, if every part of you is screaming, this is for me, then write in the comments, I'm ready for the portal. This isn't just showing up, it's activation. It's you telling the universe, your higher self, every version of you across all timelines, I'm awake. I see the signs. I'm ready. Because what will happen in the next 24 hours is something Dolores Cannon spent decades studying. She documented it through thousands of hypnosis sessions, warned us about it, prepared us, and gave exact instructions to navigate it. The 11 to 11 portal is real. It's not metaphorical or wishful thinking. It's a dimensional gateway that opens once a year for a short time, giving access to frequencies, timelines, and realities that are closed the rest of the year. Do it now. Write in the comments, I'm ready for the portal. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to give you the exact protocol Dolores Cannon revealed for consciously walking through this portal. You'll get the steps, the timing, the words, the feelings, all you need to make this 11 to 11 portal the moment your life pivots into a reality you've only dreamed of. But you must act within 24 hours. Once the portal closes, it's gone for a year. The timeline you could access will move forward without you. The urgency is real. Let me be clear, this isn't fear-mongering or manipulation. This is cosmic mathematics. Here's what Dolores Cannon discovered in 45 years of regression work with thousands of souls. The universe works in cycles, rhythms, and portals. There are specific moments, precise alignments of numbers, energies, and frequencies, when the veil between dimensions becomes thin, moments when the impossible becomes temporarily possible. November 11th is one of those moments. Why? Because of the number 111. In numerology, 11 is a master number. It doesn't reduce like other double digits. It has its own frequency, power, and purpose. It represents awakening, spiritual insight, intuition, divine alignment, the bridge between the physical and the spiritual, the doorway between dimensions. Seeing 11 to 11, whether on a clock or a calendar, is a cosmic activation code, a signal, a doorway, a portal. Dolores Cannon discovered something that changes how we understand these portals. Earth itself is going through a major dimensional shift, a frequency upgrade, a vibrational transformation. She called it the emergence of the new Earth. Through her quantum healing hypnosis sessions, client after client described the same thing. Earth is splitting, not physically, but dimensionally. The old Earth, fear, limitation, struggle, still exists. But a new Earth, a five-dimensional reality of love, abundance, unity, and freedom, is emerging. Here's the key, you can't exist in both at the same time. You are either vibrating with old Earth or new Earth. And portals like 11 to 11 are the gateways, the moments when the dimensional barrier is thin enough that you can step through if you know how. Dolores Cannon explained this in The Convoluted Universe, Book 2. She documented time portals, actual dimensional doorways that let you travel between realities, timelines, and dimensions. They don't stay open. They open and close based on cosmic alignment, number codes, and frequency. She wrote, "The Earth is changing its vibration, preparing to raise itself into a new dimension. Countless dimensions surround us all the time. We cannot see them because their vibrations are too fast, but they still exist. Portals like 11 to 11 create temporary alignment, moments when dimensions overlap, when you can access what is normally invisible. Those raising their frequency, awakening, choosing love over fear, are preparing to enter new Earth, but it's not automatic. You must consciously step through the portal. You must intentionally raise your frequency to match the new Earth. 111 is one of the most powerful portal days of the year. It's a master portal, amplifying power, accelerating manifestation, and opening direct access to higher consciousness. When these portals open, your subconscious, higher self, and divine aspect become more accessible. Resistance weakens. The barriers between you and infinite intelligence thin. It's like suddenly having a crystal-clear line to source. Here's the hard truth. The split between old Earth and new Earth is happening now. Every choice, thought, and feeling you have aligns you with one or the other. Old Earth is fear, control, scarcity, chaos. New Earth is love, freedom, unity, abundance, peace. Dolores said your consciousness creates your reality. If you're vibrating in fear, anger, or victimhood, you can't perceive New Earth. It's there, but invisible to you, like a radio tuned to the wrong frequency. The window to shift is closing. Not in centuries, not in decades, maybe even months. Every day, the frequencies separate more. Every day, it becomes harder to jump. That's why portals like 11 to 11 are critical. They create temporary bridges, making the leap possible in minutes instead of years. Why are you watching this now? It's no accident. You've been seeing the signs, 11 to 11 on clocks, receipts, license plates, phone numbers. These aren't coincidences. They're activations. Your higher self is trying to get your attention. Have you felt different lately? Like something inside you is shifting? Like the old version of you doesn't fit anymore? That's your vibration rising, your body preparing for New Earth. Dolores noted symptoms of this shift: unexplained fatigue, dizziness, headaches at the crown, heart palpitations, changes in sleep, time distortions, heightened sensitivity, intolerance to low-vibration things. These are signs you're evolving to match New Earth. Now, the exact protocol for walking through the 11 to 11 portal, based on Dolores Cannon's work. Step 1. Prepare your sacred space. Before 11 to 11, create a quiet, private space where you won't be disturbed for at least 11 minutes. Place something that represents New Earth to you, a crystal, plant, picture, or symbol of peace. This becomes your portal room. Step 2. 11-minute countdown. At 11 o'clock, begin preparation. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, place hands on your heart, and breathe deeply. Visualize releasing everything from old Earth, fear, anger, limitation, as dark smoke leaving your body. Make space for New Earth frequency. Step 3. 11 to 11 activation. At exactly 11:11, open your eyes and see the numbers 11 verse 11. Place hands on your heart and say aloud, I am walking through the portal now. I am entering the New Earth dimension. I am raising my frequency to match the 5-dimensional reality. I leave behind everything that no longer serves my highest evolution. I am stepping into my highest timeline. I am home. Say this with full conviction. You're declaring, not hoping. Step 4. Vibrational match. From 11:11 to 11:22, sit in silence and hold the feeling of already being in New Earth. Feel peace, love, freedom, abundance, joy. Let it saturate your body and cells. Step 5. Vision of your new reality. During these 11 minutes, see your life in New Earth. Visualize your day, your relationships, your environment, your experiences. You're the star, living it fully. Step 6. Gratitude seal. At 11:22, place hands on your heart and say, Thank you, higher self, for guiding me. Thank you, universe, for opening this gateway. Thank you, New Earth, for receiving me. I trust divine timing and perfection. I know this is done. And so it is. This locks in the shift and seals your intent. Step 7. Integration walk. Step outside and walk for at least 11 minutes. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Let your body anchor the new frequency, stabilizing your consciousness in the new dimension. After the portal, here's what to expect. Within 24 to 72 hours, synchronicities, signs, opportunities, and aligned people appear. Old relationships naturally fade. Within 1 to 2 weeks, physical changes, more energy, better sleep, healing, dietary shifts toward lighter foods. Within 3 to 4 weeks, life shifts, jobs, homes, finances, creativity, purpose, relationships. The shift isn't always comfortable. You'll release old identities, patterns, beliefs, relationships, and careers. Dolores said this isn't loss, it's space for what's coming. The portal opens roughly 24 hours, from midnight November 10th to midnight November 11th, Peak power is at 11:11, morning or night. Missing it means you lose the full activation. We're in the final years of the split between old and new Earth. Frequencies are diverging rapidly. The choice you make now determines your reality for the next 1,000 years. Not exaggeration. Dolores Cannon spent her life studying this. The new Earth isn't chosen by fate or luck. You choose, with every thought, feeling, and action. The 11-11 portal is a boost, a catalyst. It's the universe offering accelerated access to what would normally take years. Will you take it? Will you step through? If this resonates, write in the comments, "I choose New Earth." This is your cosmic contract, your signature on the dimensional shift. Tonight or tomorrow at 11:11, follow the 7 steps, consciously walk through the portal. Don't wait. The opportunity won't pause. The portal closes in 24 hours, and the choice is yours, on the other side or waiting another year. Dolores Cannon gave us the roadmap. The key is in your hands. Step through. Choose the promise. If you follow the protocol, show up fully present, hold the new Earth frequency, trust, surrender, and choose, your life will shift. Your timeline will leap. Your reality will change. Universal law, not a promise. You are the creator. You are the author. You are the God of your universe. The 11-11 portal is your moment. The universe is calling. Your higher self is summoning. New Earth is waiting. Will you answer? Will you step through? Will you choose? The next 24 hours decide everything. Are you ready?